So hey friends, I just wanted to do a real quick video. I realized I hadn't let anybody know how to get your information bag when you get to Lolapalooza. So Lolapalooza officially starts on Thursday, October 22nd. Just stop by campsite number 75 between the hours of 4 and 6, and you can pick up your goodie bag, and in there will be the instructions for the weekend. Usually we do a big gathering and hand out the t-shirts and welcome everybody all at once, but as everybody knows, we can't do that this year. So while things are going to look different this year, it is going to be so much fun. I think it's just going to end up being a little bit more organic. As much as I hate that word, everything is just going to fall into place the way it should. So yeah, stop by, like I said, between 4 and 6 on Thursday and pick that little gift bag up, and then you'll be able to see what all we're going to do. Now, I will tell you, we're going to be doing a Blind Views watching party Thursday night. He will be live at 6 o'clock p.m. on Thursday, and that way we can all watch from the comfort of our own campsites and interact in the chat, and that'll be a lot of fun, I think. Then Friday, there is a special activity, and if you want to check that out, see what it's about, and possibly join in on the fun, I need you to just pop over to Gypsy Pear's channel. I'm going to put a link below to the little video she did explaining exactly how this little challenge, what the rules are and how you can get involved. So I highly encourage you to check that out before the event and see if you want to join in on the fun. And then, yeah, like I said, this is going to be a good time. Like I said, I know it's not going to be like normal, but it's going to be fun. So I can't wait to see you guys there. I'm getting super excited. We've been out running around town getting supplies. I think we bought all the pool noodles in town. So I think we're ready to go. So y'all take care. Stay lost, my friends. And I hope to see you there.